Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we will understand about instrumentation amplifier. We will see the application of instrumentation amplifier. What is instrumentation amplifier? Why do we need instrumentation amplifier? And what is the use of instrumentation amplifier? The basic circuit diagram of instrumentation amplifier, right? So we will analyze and explain the operation of instrumentation amplifier. We will understand how op-amp connections to form an instrumentation amplifier, describe how the gain is being set on instrumentation amplifier, and instrumentation amplifier parts available in the market, right? So all these topics we will cover in today's presentation, right? So the question here is, why do we need instrumentation amplifier even if we have already normal amplifier? Okay, so then why do we need instrumentation amplifier, right? So let us understand this. An instrumentation amplifier is used to measure a small differential signal voltage that are superimposed in a common mode voltage, which may much larger than the signal voltage. So in other way, application includes situation where a quantity is sensed by a remote device, such as a temperature or pressure sensitive transducer, and resulting a small electrical signal is sent over a long line subject to electrical noise to produce a common mode voltage, because the sensing signal is being traveled in a remote device over a long line, such as if you want to measure a temperature or any pressure of any transducer or any device which may travel electrical signal, small electrical signal may travel over a long line. So because of that, there is a noise, super electrical noise, which will superimpose to the small signal, and that causes to produce a common mode voltage. So in that case, we will not able to identify our small signal. So to nullify the common mode signals, common mode voltage, we use instrumentation amplifier, right? So this is the basic circuit of instrumentation amplifier. You can see here we have a three operational amplifier, that is A1, A2 and A3. A1 is, you can see input is connected at plus terminal. So this is non-inverting amplifier. This is also a non-inverting amplifier. And then there is a differential amplifier, that is A3, and that goes. Then finally you get output. So this is basically, instrumentation amplifier is basically a differential amplifier. So the question is, why do we need an instrumentation amplifier if we have already differential amplifier? To answer this question, in differential amplifier, to use this type of application, you need three operational amplifier. You can see here A1, A2 and A3, and there is some external resistance which will connect here R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. So because of these non-linearity of this resistance and this operational amplifier, it, it is very difficult to reject the common mode signal, the common mode voltages, because of the variation of these resistors. So to avoid this, we need a instrumentation amplifier which will have a single chip, and all these resistors and capacitors uh, integrated over a single chip. Only we have option for this gain setting resistance, right? This is the gain setting resistance. So this is having very high input impedance and very high CMMR. So so this is the advantage of instrumentation amplifier over differential amplifier, right? So if you want to find out the output voltage of instrumentation amplifier, that is V out equals to 1 plus 2R. Let us say all resistance are very matched, and so 1 plus 2R divided by R gain. This is the R gain which will set the gain of this instrumentation amplifier into V2 minus V1. This is the V2 and this is V1. So hope you understand the connections of instrumentation amplifier, how gain is being set and what is the output voltage, right? So now an instrumentation amplifier is a differential voltage gain device that amplify the difference between the voltage existing at its two input terminal. We have already seen this. The main purpose of instrumentation amplifier is to amplify small signal that are riding on a larger common mode voltage. I have already explained this topic. Okay. An instrumentation amplifier is having a high input impedance, high CMMR, low, low output offset. A basic instrumentation amplifier is made of three op-amp and several resistors. We have already seen this. The voltage gain is set with the external resistors. We have already seen in an instrumentation amplifier chip, there is a connection for RG, that is gain resistance. Op-amp A1 and A2 are non-inverting amplifier that provides a high input impedance, right? Op-amp A3 is unity gain amplifier, right? So here this is some pictorial view of instrumentation amplifier, a small differential high frequency signal riding on a larger low frequency signal, low frequency common mode signal. So that is why we need a instrumentation amplifier. This is the instrumentation amplifier. After amplifying the signals, your output would be this amplified differential signal, no common mode signal. So common mode signal is being rejected by the ICMMR in differential in instrumentation amplifier, right? So this is some part number which are available in the market. You can go through the data sheet of these part numbers. This is INA 821, which is from Texas Instrument. This is INA 818. This is also from Texas Instrument. This is INA 826. This is also from Texas Instrument. And this is INA 331-Q1. This is also from TI. Okay. So hope you understand the basic of instrumentation amplifier. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.